Blew Poseidon granted his son's prayer. Polyphemus raised a rock far bigger than the last and swung, then hurled it with immeasurable force. It fell a little short beside our rudder and splashed into the sea. The waves surged up and pushed the boat ahead to the other shore. We reached the island where our ships were docked. The men were sitting waiting for us, weeping. We beached our ship and disembarked, then took the sheep that we'd stolen from the Cyclops out of the ship's hold. And we shared them out fairly, so all the men got equal portions. But in dividing up the flock, my crew gave me alone the ram, the Cyclops' favorite. There on the shore I slaughtered him for Zeus, the son of Cronus, god of dark clouds, lord of all the world. I burned the thighs, the god ignoring my offering, and planned to ruin all of my ships and all of my loyal men. So all day long, till sunset, we were sitting, feasting on meat and drinking sweet, strong wine. But when the sun went down and darkness fell, we went to sleep beside the breaking waves. Then when rose-fingered dawn came, bright and early, I roused my men and told them to embark and loose the cables. Quickly they obeyed, sat their rowing benches all in order, and struck the grey salt water with their oars. So we sailed on with sorrow in our hearts, glad to survive, but grieving our friends.